Hi guys, let me show you in this video how you can install League of Legends on your PC. Go into the description down below where I'm going to let you the link to this website. Now, when you find the Riot Games website and League of Legends, you want to click right here in the middle where you see Play for Free. A new website is going to get open where you want to sync up. If you have one account, you can log in. If not, you will have to create one. Now you want to enter your email. Now, if you already have one account, you can click right here to download it. Click into Start. Now this is going to ask you when were you born, you want to enter your birthday and you want to click into Next. And here you want to set up your username and password. I have already one account, so I'm not going to do this step, but then you're going to start downloading the file. After you have inputted all your data, you are all set and now you can download it. Click here for download it for Windows or you can download the Mac installer. Now you only have to wait a couple of minutes until the installer is done. Downloading. Now that the download is done, you can close your web browser, go into your download folder, and double-click into the Install League of Legends file that you're going to see right here. And now you want to click into Install. This is going to download 11.7 gigabytes. And after that, you're going to be able to play League of Legends on PC. I want to make this tutorial because I played this game long time ago and one friend of me get me again hooked up into it. So guys, for all of you that didn't know how to make it, now you know. Thanks for watching, my friends. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to drop a like and a subscriber is more than welcome. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.